Today our video is about onomatopoeia. This word is derived from Greek language. Its meaning is name. So in this video we will discuss about this word. In Oxford Dictionary it is called sound symbolic. Its purpose, it make our writing more exciting. It is also a figure of speech. Now we shall discuss some examples and we shall try to elaborate. First, a box fell to the floor and glass went everywhere. Here two words are highlighted in yellow color, and fell as well as went. So these two words will be replaced with onomatopoeias. A box crashed to the floor. Fell will be replaced with crashed. And the glass shattered everywhere. The glass went everywhere. Went will be replaced with shattered. It also called a sound. The next example, the water went everywhere when Ali jumped inside the pool. Went everywhere is highlighted in yellow color, and it will be replaced the word splash. So splash is a onomatopoeia. Mariam always sing while cooking. Sing is a word which will be replaced. Mariam always mumbles while cooking. Mumbles is a replacing word. The audience roared. The audience made noise at the end of the show. Made noise, onomatopoeia will be roared. Roared is a onomatopoeia. Number 5. There was a loud sound and everything went black. Loud sound will be replaced with bang. So after the using of this figure of speech onomatopoeia, there was a bang and everything went black. Number 6. The steak is cooking in the pan. The steak is cooking. Cooking will be replaced with onomatopoeia sizzling. So the sentence will be, the steak is sizzling in the pan. Number 7. In the farm, the horse made a loud sound and disturbed the singing birds. Made a loud sound will be replaced with neat. The mouse went loud as it ran across the room. So went loud will be replaced with squawked. So this is a video about onomatopoeia. Its meaning, example, it is a figure of speech, and we also elaborate with the examples. Thanks for watching. Like this video.